Mazda isn't the biggest fish in the automotive industry, but it's undeniable that the MX-5 Miata is indeed legendary. While tiny roadsters are often the butt of pop culture jokes, car enthusiasts always know better. The Mazda MX-5 is one of the most balanced and cost-effective sports cars ever created. Nonetheless, it's clear that it's in the automaker's best interest to keep their fan-favorite cars alive for as long as possible. Apparently Mazda is doing just that according to a report from Which Car, via CarBuzz. Which Car said it was tipped that the next MX-5 would arrive in 2026, and right now Mazda is looking for ways to electrify the Roadster. Mazda recently revealed its timeline for making the transition to a BEV in 2030, and part of the plan is to reveal a new hybrid powertrain in 2025. Considering the timing, it seems likely that the next Mazda MX-5 grille will be a hybrid rather than a BEV. The question is, how did Mazda adapt the hybrid technology to a small sports car? One of the MX-5's strengths is its light chassis and weight balance. Can Mazda keep the MX-5 trim with an electric motor and battery pack? We think we'll find out in about 4 years. It's not an impossible task by any means, but it can be very difficult. Mazda could explore using lightweight materials like carbon fiber to save weight, but that would definitely increase the price. Affordability is another hallmark of the Mazda MX-5, so the automaker needs to strike a sufficient balancing act to keep its next Roadster light, sporty and cheap. As for the look of the next MX-5, the Mazda Vision Study concept that was alluded to during the automaker's midterm presentation may have dropped a hint at its design language. While the Vision Study concept car is a coupe, we imagine that it wouldn't be difficult for Mazda's designers to easily adapt it into a drop top. Akanka Mazda Benar Melakukan Apa Saja Untuk Menjaga Semangat MX-5 Tetap Hidup Tampaknya Bermanfaat Bagi Mereka Untuk Melakukannya. Padahal, mereka benar-benar menyerah pada mesin rotari meskipun ada lampu gas konstan yang akan hidup. Jadi kami tidak akan menyalahkan Anda karena bersikap skeptis.